Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week is a nail video again, so I'll keep it short. It is a tutorial and it's kind of a Valentine's idea with some hearts and some crazy decorations. So the base is a metal nail, gold metal in this case, and I just thought I'd add on even to that. So I'm going to show you how I did that. And here's the end result. Very festive, very fun. So here I hope you feel inspired to try your own and to get all out, to get a little bit crazy, especially with those holidays or special occasions like Valentine's Day, or if you have a great party coming up. So go all out on your nails, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time with a paper craft video again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.